How to install Flow in After Effects. In this video, I will show you how to install the Flow plugin in After Effects so you can create smoother animation curves and speed up your motion design workflow. Now, first thing you need to do is to go to the official website ascript.com. You can also add /flow as well to redirect you to that specific plugin. But ascript.com is where Flow is available for download. You can pretty much search for Flow in the search bar and go to its product page. You can either buy it or choose the free trial option. After that, you can just download the zip file that contains the Flow plugin. Next, you can just extract the downloaded file. Inside, you'll see a folder that includes the Flow script file, usually ending in .jsxbin. You can just copy this file because we'll be placing it into the After Effects script folder. Now you just have to go to your computer's After Effects installation folder, and on Windows, navigate to Document, Adobe, After Effects, Script, Script UI Panels, or in Mac, you can also go to Application, Adobe After Effects, Script, and Script UI Panels. You can just paste the flow file inside the Script UI Panels folder. After that, you can just restart After Effects so it can load the new plugin. To check if Flow installed correctly, go to the Windows in the top menu and scroll down, and you should now see Flow listed as an option. You can click in and Flow panel will open inside After Effects. Once it's open, you'll be able to create custom animation curves and apply them instantly to your keyframes, making your animation look much more smoother and more professional. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments below.